Good morning, all. Myself, Dr. M. Karthik, Associate Professor in the Department of Information Technology. Today, we are going to discuss the topic about precision agriculture and agricultural management in precision farming. First, we will see about what is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is the concept of using the new technologies and collected field information, doing the right thing in the right place at the right time. So we are collected information about the crop field. It can be used information more precisely in evaluated optimum solution density of estimate fertilizers and other input needs. To more accurately, we are going to predict the crop yields. So that will be the thing about the precision agriculture. So it is the farming management concept based on observing, measuring and responding to the inter and intra-field variability in crops. So it is also referred as precision farming, satellite agriculture, as needed farming and site specific crop management. So it will be the digital agricultural revolution. So it is the precision agriculture cycle. First, we are going to acquire the data. Based on the data which will be learned from the past, it can be processed, and then accessing the data in terms of insight, and then we are interpreting these data and we are going to make a decisions. So based upon the decision, we are taking actions on the field, farming field. Based upon these actions, we are getting certain results. Whether the result may be positive or negative. If it is negative, we are going to learn the things, what the things to be made in future. Once again, these data will be acquired and then the cycle will repeats. So these are the precision agriculture cycle. So here the precision agriculture uses the information technology to ensure that crops and soil receive exactly what they need for optimum health and productivity. So it also ensures the profitability, sustainability and protection of the environment. So it considers certain aspects such as soil type, terrain, weather, plant growth and yield data when managing crops. So how the precision agriculture will works? So it helps in avoiding the unwanted practices to crop regardless of the local soil or climate conditions. So it also reduces the labor, water inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, etc. And also it assures the quality of the crop we are going to produce. So it will relies upon certain specialized equipment and software and IT services. So we are collecting upon certain data. This data can be processed. Okay. We are selecting certain data, which means acquired data which will be learned from the past. We are going to process those data and then it will give certain outputs. Which crop have to yield. Like that we are predicted by using the data we are collected. By using this real-time data, the conditions of the crops, soil and ambient of the air along with other relevant information, it can be predicted. Based upon this data, it can be inputted to the sensors in the fields that measures the moisture content and temperature of the soil and surrounding air. Satellites and robotic drones can also provide it to the farmers with real-time images of the individual plants. So these are the benefits of precision agriculture. We are collected the real-time data on crop status, weather forecasting and environmental changes. Based on this, effectively we can maintain the soil health by decreasing the uses of pesticides, so that we can be able to increase the crop production and productivity. With the help of this, we can increase the importance of genetic potential of the produced crops and decrease the dependence on agricultural weather conditions. And also, we are reducing the cost of materials and resources. So these are the step-by-step benefits of precision agriculture as we discussed in the image. These are the certain use cases of precision agriculture. In the past, the precision agriculture was limited to larger operations that could support the IT infrastructure and other technology resources, which will require to fully implement and benefits from the precision agriculture. Today, however, we are utilizing the mobile applications, smartphones, drones and cloud computing technologies to make the precision agriculture possible for farming, even though if it is a small farms. So these are the applications, list of applications we are utilizing for precision agriculture. First one is agriculture mapping and field scouting, soil sampling and analysis, weather monitoring, labor management and equipment management. So next we are seeing about the challenges involved in precision agriculture. Of course, we are having certain challenges involved while making the precision farming. One of the biggest challenges is data management. We are collecting so many data from various fields. It depends upon the nature of the land and nature of the climate. So we are collecting so many volumes of data in precision agriculture. It can be difficult to make sense it of all. That is the first challenges. And then second challenge is integrating all the different data sources. We are collecting the data from different sources. We are going to integrate all the different data sources involved in the precision agriculture. It will be a little bit difficult task to work together. And finally, the precision agriculture requires a significant investment in technology. So what are the investment? The investment is based upon the equipment and software which will be required for precision agriculture. It can be a expensive one, and it takes time to learn how it can be utilized effectively. So despite of these challenges, precision agriculture is becoming more and more popular among the farmers to strive, optimize efficiency and returns on their crops. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video about the precision agriculture.